Hi everyone, this clip was recorded by one of my lads. He's on the M57 in Liverpool and he's about to join the M58. And what he witnesses is what looks like a pre-planned police stop. It's hard to tell just looking at the traffic in front, but there's 3 cars waiting at the lights, which include the one in front, a marked police car in front of that, and then the target vehicle. The target vehicle is a Ford Focus, and this looks as though it's pre-planned because one of the other vehicles involved in the stop is already at the lights, the BMW in the lane to the left. As the lights change, the cars move away, and pretty obviously the target vehicle is on his best behaviour, and that's because of the marked vehicle. But this also allows the second unmarked vehicle to approach again from the M57 behind my lad. And again it's another BMW, it's this one on the left. Now the 2 unmarked vehicles do a brilliant job of utilising the target vehicle's slowness due to the actual marked car, and they position themselves one in front, one behind. It's hard to see exactly how this happened because our view's blocked, but they get the job done. The blue lights come on from all vehicles and the marked police car takes up a commanding position in the road to keep all other road users safe. And this is the primary concern when they're doing a stop like this. Thankfully, the target vehicle gives in without turning this into a pursuit. For me, it was a really interesting video to do some analysis on. I just hope I haven't given away all of Merseyside Police's traffic unit secrets. Great job, guys and girls. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you next time.